In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect iPhone 15 to iTunes. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. You can easily set up and use any iPhone with iTunes on your PC, laptop, and even a MacBook, of course. So to start, if you don't already have iTunes downloaded, for Windows you can acquire it through the Microsoft Store. So look for iTunes, download the app for free, and once you have iTunes downloaded, open it up. You will see an intro screen, and to actually use your iPhone 15 in conjunction with iTunes, you must connect it to the device running it. This will be primarily done using a USB cable. It can be USB-C to USB-C, USB-A to USB-C, it doesn't matter, as long as the cable can establish a connection between the iPhone that you are using and the PC or laptop running iTunes, you will be good to go. So in this example, you would plug the USB-C end into the charging port of the iPhone, and then the other end, USB-A, goes into any of the USB ports available on the laptop. Once you have the connection established, the iPhone will be detected. So in this example, iPhone 15, and you will see all of the information. The data will be synchronized, and you can see the process here at the top for the synchronization. You will see the capacity available on the phone number is listed, serial number, and all other details. You can check for updates, you can restore your iPhone, and use all sorts of functionalities and features available here. So you will see all of the music, movies, TV shows, photos, other information about the iPhone, and it is a useful tool to have when you connect your iPhone to your PC or laptop. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.